Y'all want to know what I love? A fly female.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby.
Is it started? Oh yeah, it started. Period. Ooh,
Can you see? Okay. Cause I'm trying to get to my vlogging little one too.
What you want me to do?
Literally stop it.
Do you want to like?
Okay.
TTT. Okay.
But you know I'm gonna do a little editing. I'll put on that. Alright y'all, so I got my makeup done and I'm rushing, but I'm not trying to get there on time. I turn my head and you still squint past. I don't know what's going on down there, but whatever. Alright, so I just gotta get gas. I knew I wasn't putting no more gas into my car until I was going to the concert, but what the fuck, you keep tilting this. All right, it says I'm gonna get there at 8:15. I'm at stop for gas, so it's probably gonna be like 8:25. I'm not rushing because like what concert starts exactly at 7? I got my Red Bull with me. Da-da-da. Which one is y'all favorite? Well, before they came up with the white peach, I was a big fan of regular peach, the burgundy can. See, if they don't got burgundy, which is peach, I'm getting yellow, which is tropical. And then somebody just put me on to the watermelon one, which is okay. It's okay. But let me know in the comments which Red Bull is your like go-to, like what you mix it with. I was gonna bring some down, but like I'm not drinking because it's literally just me driving and me coming back. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm like on a road, okay? I don't know what's wrong with my other phone, but y'all see me on a bridge. I had to get the fuck in front of that car because look, I don't be wanting to be on this bridge for too long than I need to. I want to get off this bridge so bad. Not even that I'm scared, but I hate for somebody to drive slow. Like we is on top of water. Alright y'all, so I'm here now. I beat the road. I put this car in sports. And now I'm about to get my my parking ticket thingy. Dread beat me to the gods. I'm putting all this stuff in my trunk because I don't have no tent yet. Hello.
Good afternoon. You looking to pay now?
Sure.
Tap it on the back. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Take your phone camera out. Oh, wait. Okay, try that one more time. You can't.
Oh, sorry.
Alright. That didn't go through, okay? So you want me to charge twice? You just want to do it on this one right
Okay.
here. I got it. You got a blessing today. My thing hit the thing. You good. You good.
Thank you.
It's on the 3rd floor.
Thank you.
You are.
You said 3rd floor? Okay. parked up here. Oh, I might just, I gotta keep going up. Hell no. There we go, right there. Let me see something. Let me see if he charged my card. Cause he's talking about, oh, you got a blessing today. I wanted them ones. Thank you. Thank you. Gotta keep that yarn. Alright, y'all, so I had to turn on my selfie light because my car light is not as light as I need it to be. But the concert is over. I had to take me some pictures. Now I'm about to ride home. I got my Red Bull. Y'all hear the cars beeping and stuff. That's why I was like, let me just take my pictures now. I found a little section over there. One thing about it, I'm gonna take me some pictures, and yeah, I had fun. I ended up seeing one of my friends there with her sister. Like, it wasn't on purpose, but I came by myself. I'm back and I'm better. We'll get into that another day. So I hope you guys like this little vlog of me seeing little baby. I enjoyed myself. 10 out of 10. I would do it again. I'm gonna start going to other artists that I like to listen to. And yeah, tell me what y'all think of this video.